Okay, so I thought I would do a quick video about this phone that I'm working on here. This is an iPhone 6 Plus Touch Disease Repair. This is a previous repair attempt, although it was not sent here to me as a previous repair attempt. Well, not outright mentioned. We don't speak the same languages though, so it could have just been a communications problem. So anyways, I've already given the customer a price to fix this, which kind of sucks. But anyways, I wanted to show you what I'm looking at here. Um, Here I'm on the Wi-Fi screen, and as you can see, the Wi-Fi is actually enabled, and the Wi-Fi looks to be working. So this phone was sent here with two things: was a non-functioning home button and the touch defect, which you can't really see in this video, but you would if I started pushing on the board. So anyways, I wanted to show you here why it is that I'm doing this video and why it is that I showed you that Wi-Fi actually works. I checked that Wi-Fi works before I gave this customer a price because I was in a hurry. I didn't do a full tear down, and I didn't get all the way into the phone to show what was going on here. I'm going to go ahead and pull the board out of here and show you what's got me so excited about Wi-Fi still working. I'm going to pull the board out and then show a couple of things on this board real quick since it's a previous repair attempt. So, home button not working. Let's talk about that. Got my handy dandy little cheap USB microscope. I do have some other capture hardware, but I'm waiting on some adapters and things. So, anyways, here's the view from this cheap microscope. So the home button don't work on this phone. Here's a view of the area where the home button connector is supposed to be. So I think it's pretty obvious as to why there's a logic board issue causing this home button to not work. Probably what happened is they heated the crap out of the other side of it, and I don't know, did the home button fall off? Was it crooked? Did they solder it back on with low melt, and that's why it's not here now? So that's one thing, home button not working. Here's why I'm so amazed Wi-Fi is working. I'm going to put this microscope down along the Wi-Fi IC here. I've actually never seen one this bad before. Look at how much... I really wish I had the other hardware hooked up so you could see this a little better, but look at how much solder. And that is the typical look of that capacitor when there's been a little bit of water damage. I wonder if that has something to do with the previous repair, because the phone don't look water damaged, but there's some things here or there that makes it kind of feel water damagey, like maybe their ultrasonic cleaner, they left a bunch of liquid behind. So we got solder ball all the way out here at this end of the Wi-Fi IC. I mean, it is just oozing out everywhere. This side is, of course, the worst. So this is a typical, this phone, somebody tried to repair it. They didn't actually go to replace these ICs. Somebody just squirted some flux in here and refloated them. They tried to clean it up because most of the flux is gone, but there is still some flux between these components. So that's it for this video. I already quoted them a repair price on this. I'm really tempted to put this phone back together and no fix it though, because I have a lot going on. That Wi-Fi IC just soldered, just oozed out all around it. This thing got hot. I can pretty well guarantee you there's going to be front camera issues, proximity sensor issues, ear speaker issues. This is probably going to have like all of them. So I should know fix it, but after I stop this video, I'm going to fix it.